yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life My Life and happy
Sunday.
So we're going to get our groceries because we didn't do that yesterday.
Nope.
Anyway, we had a good day though. It
was fun.
That museum was really interesting, and Jordan was her name. She was very informative for a young lady. Yeah.
I think she was only like 8.
She just graduated.
She graduated. She was like 8. Yeah, because she mentioned when she was born.
Yeah, she's 18.
Yeah, and I think she said 2007.
Yeah. And she both sets of her grandparents. One grandpa worked at the paper mill, and the other one worked on the train.
Yes.
Yeah, that was really neat. Yeah.
Well, I think her mom worked at the paper mill. In the cafeteria.
Yes. Yeah.
And stuff.
Yeah. So that was really neat. All right, we will be back in a bit. We're gonna go out to Headingley for something to eat. We didn't get moving too fast. It's 20 to 11. But all right.
Okay.
There's something right there for you. Oh, is that one for you?
Yeah.
Careful, Daddy almost got your nose. All right, just a small grocery haul to top up things for the week. We needed to top up our fruits and veggies.
Oh, yeah. We did. Alright. Far end Walmart. The burlap.
Oh crap, I wanted to get strawberries and I forgot.
Well, you didn't have it on the list, so
I know.
Oh well.
I'll have to get some tomorrow.
That's enough. Alright. Burlap. Not exactly what he was looking for. It was $11.98, so $13.42 with taxes. But they had none in their
craft section.
And their craft section at all the Walmarts have shrunk.
Yeah, Canada's craft section in the Walmarts is awful.
Yeah.
But that'll all make it too.
It used to be huge and really good. But it's demand, right? People aren't buying, they can't carry it.
Well, the dollar stores carry so much craft supplies now.
Well, that's part of the problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You save on foods. So their peaches were $2.99 a pound. So they're regular $11.06 with $4.40 off. So they ended up being whatever that is. They don't hate when they don't give the total price.
Use your brain.
Yeah. I was going to say something back.
Yep.
We'll just keep on reading. Yeah, so that's $6 and 50, something like that.
Yeah.
Whatever. Pretty close there. Trying to subtract here on that. So, the watermelon was regular $6.49 with $1.50 off. So that was good. That was $4.99.
See, those were the prices I had set out.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then the mesquite turkey was, it's like $3.49. Yeah, $3.49 per 100 grams. So $7.40. They had some honey ham.
I hate prepackaged lunch meat.
They had, it wasn't prepackaged though, the honey ham. I'm about to tell a story here, dear. But in typical fashion, my lovely wife does not read the flyers properly. She reads them quickly. First, she put on the list the honey ham at $1.40 per pound. It was not. It was $1.40 per 100.
Well, I meant
100 grams.
I meant that
because it's lunch meat, and the sales is only on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And I went and looked at the flyer, and I tell you, you couldn't miss it.
No, I know. I didn't mean to put per pound. I meant.
You did.
I know.
Put per pound.
I know I did.
Anyways. So the grand total there was $19.01 for that. We went to the Superstore. Kind of weird going shopping on Sundays.
Yeah, we'd never do that.
And it wasn't like overly busy either. Okay. So the lemon poppy seed, the PC blue menu, was $3.49.
I've been craving that salad dressing.
Yeah. Okay. And then the cream of bacon and the were $2.73 each, or 3 for $6.72, or 3. Yeah, so we got 3 at $6.72.
That it was 3 at. I thought it was cheaper than that.
No.
Oh, anyways.
Right here, $2.73 each, or 3 at $6.72.
Anyways.
Soup has just gotten expensive.
Yeah. We cook with the creams.
We cook with most of this. We normally make our own soups.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like homemade bean soup is much better.
Yeah. Okay. So then the Jell-O, no sugar added, was all $1.29. So cherry, strawberry, and lemon.
You said strawberry with the cherry.
Oh, did I?
Strawberry.
Well, everybody knows what I mean. The mayo was on at $6 for the Hellmann's. Then the cashews was $7.99. Then the duck tenders were $15.99. And that's for the smaller. I normally get the bigger bag, but they didn't have any. The Greek plain yogurt was $6.49.
Yeah, I saw a dessert where you add the Jell-O to the Greek plain yogurt, and it makes a fat-free dessert. Like you whip it like a mousse.
The half and half was $3.44. Cauliflower was $2.84. The mushrooms were $2.99.
Could you only get the big one of the kind that you like the most?
Well, the other ones was bigger, and I didn't want to buy that big one because I didn't need. So I ended up just getting some white ones. Because the bigger one was $5 something. The peppers were $5.50. The carrots were $3.50, and they're skinny.
That's all right.
Skinny little.
They'll be sweet.
The onions were $2.99. Oh, that cream is leaking.
Put it in a juice pitcher. That's fine.
No, I'll just put a paper towel on it. I don't like putting it in a juice pitcher.
Whatever.
The celery stalks were $3.79. The tomatoes were $1.27. The radish bunches were $1.49. And then the the chicken breast, one was $13.04 and the other one was $13.89.
BS chicken.
Yeah. We have some in the fridge, buddy. So grand total of $107.21 with the tax. Okay. Food fair. Picked up some cheese at $7.49.
Usually get the bigger brick, but
I do, but unfortunately they didn't have. They had medium, but it was light. Like the light.
yeah.
The keto wraps were $6.99 a piece.
Crazy.
I picked up 2 of those.
You need to
And
go
then
to
the steak, I can't even show the steak because it's wrapped up. It was on for
$99 a pound.
$12.99 a pound. So you got 2 nice big T-bone steaks. They were $30.93. And Sobeys. They had salted butter on, so I picked a couple more of those up, stick in the freezer. They're on for $4.99. Then they had Jane's chicken wings and fish. They were on sale for $9, but if you're a SIM card holder, it was $3 off, so they were $6. And that's fish and the pub style chicken wings. For a grand total $21.98, and that is it.
That's it. Alright. Well, we'll be back. We'll show them what we're having for supper later.
Sure.
Alright.
Okay.
Nice T-bone steaks and mushrooms and onions. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.